the environmental and ethical benefits of a plant-based diet. This lesson focuses on the environmental and ethical impacts of transitioning to a plant-based diet. Students will learn how plant-based eating reduces the strain on natural resources, lowers carbon emissions, and enhances animal welfare. By the end of the lesson, students will grasp the far-reaching implications of their dietary choices and how adopting a plant-based approach contributes to a healthier, more sustainable, and more humane planet for all. By the conclusion of this lesson, students will understand the environmental benefits of plant-based diets, particularly in reducing carbon footprints and conserving natural resources. Recognize the ethical implications tied to animal welfare and food production systems. Make informed dietary choices that align with personal values and global sustainability goals. Explore how plant-based diets can promote global food security by optimizing agricultural practices. Plant-based diets play a crucial role in reducing greenhouse gas emissions. Livestock farming is a major contributor to methane and CO2 emissions, which accelerate global warming. Supporting evidence A study by the University of Oxford reveals that plant-based eating can cut individual carbon footprints by up to 73%, depending on the region. Actionable tip focus on local, seasonal fruits and vegetables to further reduce transportation and production-related emissions. The water usage between animal farming and plant farming starkly contrasts. Producing a kilogram of beef consumes approximately 15,000 litres of water, far exceeding the 1,000 litres needed for wheat. Switching to plant-based foods offers a tangible solution for conserving water on a global scale. Supporting evidence data from the Water Footprint Network shows a plant-based diet can slash an individual's water footprint by 50%. Highly efficient foods whole grains, legumes, and plant-based proteins like tofu require only a fraction of the water needed for animal-based food production. Livestock farming demands extensive land for grazing and feed crops, driving deforestation and habitat loss. By contrast, plant-based diets utilize land more efficiently, freeing it for reforestation and ecosystem restoration. Supporting evidence. The FAO estimates that livestock farming occupies 30% of the Earth's land surface. Transitioning to plant-based farming could help preserve biodiversity and prioritize land for sustainable agriculture. Focus foods legumes, grains, and vegetables can be cultivated with minimal land use, leaving more space for thriving natural ecosystems. A plant-based diet significantly reduces the reliance on factory farming, where animals endure inhumane conditions. Opting for plant-based alternatives encourages practices that prioritize ethical treatments. Supporting evidence billions of factory-farmed animals are slaughtered annually under conditions optimized for productivity rather than welfare. Suggested foods lentils, beans, and soy are excellent protein-packed alternatives that also mitigate animal suffering. Plant-based eating provides a sustainable solution to feeding a growing global population. Producing plant-based protein is more resource efficient, allowing us to feed more people with less land and fewer inputs. Supporting evidence according to the World Resources Institute, shifting to plant-based diets could feed an additional 3.5 billion people by maximizing agricultural efficiency. Nutrient-dense crops beans, pulses, and grains meet nutritional needs while supporting food equity worldwide. In regions with limited access to plant-based options or where processed alternatives are costly, affordability remains a barrier. Solution promote consumption of inexpensive, locally grown staples such as lentils, beans, and seasonal vegetables to make plant-based eating affordable for all. Cultural traditions and family practices often make plant-based transitions unpredictable and challenging. Solution encourage gradual change, like adopting meatless Mondays or increasing plant-based meals weekly, to respect cultural norms while fostering sustainable choices. Buy local and seasonal reduce your food's environmental footprint by supporting local farmers and minimizing transportation emissions. Minimize food waste plan and repurpose meals to cut down on waste. Choose whole foods over processed. Prioritize unprocessed plant-based items for optimal health and ecological benefits. Try meat-free days. Start with small changes, like replacing a couple of weekly meals with plant-based options, then expand from there. How can adopting a plant-based diet address pressing environmental issues like climate change and resource scarcity? What ethical motivations inspire individuals to reduce or eliminate animal products from their diets? 3. How might small, incremental dietary changes influence individual contributions to global sustainability?